in the world do you feed yourself with speed in the morning? I've got you covered. Hey everybody, my name is Bambi and I am a work-from-home mother and entrepreneur. I have 3 kids and a husband and I'm super busy. So I don't have a whole lot of time to make breakfasts that are take a long time to make. So today I'm bringing you 5 super speedy breakfasts, whether you work at home, whether you're on the run, and you're going to love these.
Here we go. Now, what I like to do with my cottage cheese, I saw a YouTuber put cinnamon on her cottage cheese. So I pick this up and then I top with these fresh strawberries. That is my breakfast this morning. I'm telling you, it checks all the boxes because I get all the deliciousness from the strawberries. I get the protein and the calcium from the cottage cheese. I get the added benefits of cinnamon and I just love it. And it's very filling. It might not seem like it's very filling, but it is. There's one of my breakfasts. I'm looking forward to it. It is going to be delicious. I have a hard-boiled egg. The reason this is so speedy is because I made some hard-boiled eggs ahead of time. So all I had to do was crack it open and cut the egg in half, put a little salt and pepper on there. If you want to be even faster in the morning, you can go ahead and get the shells off your eggs prior to the morning. You know, when you boil them all at once, go ahead and peel them, and then all you got to do is grab the whole egg and you're good to go. I also have this. I saw this in the store recently, so I grabbed it. It's one of these oatmeal, like it's a cup of oatmeal. It says 2.3 ounces, and then you add water to it. So obviously it expands in there. But I'm going to show you what this looks like on the inside. Hold on. Here's the inside of the cup. This was just dried oatmeal in there, and then I boiled water and added it to the oatmeal. It actually came with a little sugar packet, and I have never seen these oatmeal cups with a packet of sugar. Usually the sugar's just mixed right in there for everyone's convenience, but I don't even put sugar in my oatmeal. I sweeten my oatmeal with maple syrup or honey, usually maple syrup. I like that better in my oatmeal. But check this out. I just took the sugar packet out and swapped in the maple syrup for it. This also has chia seeds and flax seeds. If you look close, you'll be able to see it if I don't steam up the camera. But what drew me to this initially was it said stay full, and I was like, oh, I need to stay full because I'm so busy. Basically, I just eat to fill myself up, so I may as well try my best to make it healthy. It also has the apples in there for fiber and lots of protein in there, and it's just a good solid meal. I think I'm going to grab some fruit after this, even though it does have the dried apples in there, but that's I'm sure not a full serving of apples. But another good, solid, speedy breakfast for you this morning. This one is quick and speedy. It took me less than 5 minutes to wash the berries, cut them up, and toss them in here. I've got strawberries and blueberries. These are organic. Obviously, if that's not in your budget, don't get it. The pesticides freak me out, so I go for organic, especially with berries. Also, this is a newer yogurt that I found on the market here in Washington, D.C. Only 2 grams of sugar. It's a low-fat yogurt, not full fat, so I'm not getting tons of fat. I'm getting just a little bit there. Here's a few of the other numbers for you. 80 calories, 12 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and no added sugar. I'm really excited about this one. It's got all the good probiotics in it that are good for the gut, and I'm just excited about this yogurt because it doesn't have as much sugar in it and it tastes delicious. They have all kinds of different flavors. This is one of my favorite ones. But most yogurts you're going to find sugar like 9 grams and up. So this one's pretty solid. This is 1 cup of yogurt, and I probably have a cup and a half of fresh berries here. So this is a good breakfast. I'm getting all the fiber and all the good, vitamin C, all the goodness that fresh berries have to offer in here. I'm getting tons of protein. I'm getting calcium. So this is a solid breakfast. This will definitely hold me over for a few hours until I decide to eat lunch. There you go. This one took me, believe it or not, less than 5 minutes to put together. It was so fast, and I'm going to tell you why. First, I read just over the last couple days that one of the Kardashian sisters, I'm pretty sure it was Kourtney Kardashian, does a salad similar to this every morning, except for hers, oh, you know what? Wait, that's not true. Not every morning, but that this is her favorite salad. So this is avocado, tomatoes, and eggs. Hers isn't exactly this. Hers, I read, has mozzarella balls in it. I didn't have mozzarella on hand, so I decided to leave that out. But I thought, I eat all those things. I'm going to try that to see if that fills me up. I'm not one to really follow like celebrity trends, but I genuinely eat all these things. I love tomatoes. I like avocado. Hard-boiled eggs aren't my favorite, but they'll do like for a quick and easy breakfast. So this is what I have here. Drizzled it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and salt and pepper on there. As you can see, I think that's going to be delicious. So this is my first crack at this one, and I hope it'll hold me over. Like I said, I didn't do the mozzarella on there. I believe fresh mozzarella has some good protein in it. I didn't have that, so I have some turkey sausage patties. I'll show you in just a second where I got these, but this I heated up in the microwave 60 seconds, and there they go. And they are going to be absolutely delicious. Look at these. This is my youngest daughter's favorite. She has these every morning, and I feel good about giving these to her, and I'll show you why. Now, I wasn't sure that this was going to hold me over, so I did some peaches on the side. I wish I could say these are fresh peaches. They're not. They come in a jar, but they are not in sugar. They're in 100% fruit juice. So I have a few peach slices there. This turkey sausage I just mentioned, this is what I get. This is the Applegate Naturals savory turkey breakfast sausage patties. They have these in lengths, and the ingredients are phenomenal. I feel good about letting my daughter have this every day. I usually preach, you know, oh, you have to have a variety of food in your diet. This I'm fine with her having, because it pretty much checks all the boxes for what I like to feed my kids. So here's my breakfast this morning, and I'm looking forward to this one. It's a new one for me, and I love to try out something new. 5 minutes to put this together, because I did have the eggs done already. I had boiled a handful of eggs at one time, so all I had to do was peel it, sliced up the avocado, sliced up the tomatoes, 1 minute in the microwave, pop those right out of the jar. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, this one was very fast. I'll show you what I have here. First, I have fruit salad. You've seen that already from the previous breakfast, but there you go. Here I have, kind of cheated a little bit on this morning. I have 1 slice of low-carb bread that I toasted, and then I have some bacon on there. I microwaved that bacon for a few minutes, so it was done really fast. The egg here, my husband made eggs for my daughters this morning for breakfast. There was 1 left, so I said, ooh, I'll have that in a little while. So I just melted some cheese on top of that in the microwave, and there you go. This was a super fast breakfast. Came together in probably 7 or 8 minutes at the very most. I'd even say 5 minutes, but there you go. Healthy, fast, and I'm going to be full.
All right, so please do make sure you try those breakfasts. Those are my go-tos now, because it's the fastest way for me to get myself fed and jump into my work day. So check them out and let me know what you think, whether or not you work from home or whether or not you're headed out the door for your day. Thanks for checking with me today. I'll see you next time.